Is there a difference between astrology and numerology?
Numerology deals with the what, when astrology deals with the when. Numbers. The numbers that you are born into give you what is your mission and therefore your gift. So depending on the situation of that, your birth chart, you get to fine-tune the gift. So I don't tell people what they want to know. I tell people what they need to know, basically. Because kukhulunywa number 7. If you understand the number 7, ukuthwasa uyakwazi basically your way. But ukuthwasa, the real ukuthwasa,
Spiritual.
The real ukuthwasa is what the church is fighting abasesintweni for. Yet it's the same thing. So silwisana ngento eyi-one kahle. Don't look at all the other nyef that's on there. Look at the core understanding of both these two things. Susa mabai, susa ubuhlali, susa yonke into. Look at the core principality of isintu. Look at religion. It's the same thing. Number 9, uye ongafuni umshado, because this is the spiritual side of things. This represents the waters. About number 9, they're always giving. So the spirituality is protecting them from giving too much. Umuntu wesifazane ozelwe ngeyi-9, or life path 9, destiny 9. Uma beshada lo mshado, 90% of the time uzoba ne break up or a divorce.